Hi there. So today I'm going to show you how I write all of the tasks that I need to assign to my virtual assistant. So I am using Notion. So if you're familiar with Notion, you should be able to get all of the things that I'm showing here. But if you're not, it's basically like Monday or Asana. It's the same as with a lot of the task management and project management tools out there. It's just more flexible, and I am in love with it. So this is basically where I have everything. So the first thing that I do is before I assign. So hi to Mark. He and I have worked together in the past, and now I'm hiring him as my personal virtual assistant. So before I hired him for this specific project, I made sure that I have all of the tasks ready. So as you can see, we already completed this from last week, and I'm going to assign him new task for the upcoming weeks. So when I'm creating this card, it has the basic details such as the status, started, in progress, completed, and of course I assigned it to Mark. And there might be instances that I might assign to myself. So if there are things that he needs before he can move forward with the task, then I can assign it to myself. And of course, this is the deadline, and here it should say total hours. I just want to be able. Currently, I'm buying a few hours per week of slots for Mark, and I want to be able to see the total hours or minutes that he spent in each task. So that will be easier for me to budget the remaining tasks. So once I have this card and this database, then I will start assigning the tasks. So there are a few. Currently, need help with maintaining my portfolio because I just keep writing, and I'm not able to maintain my own portfolio. So include new article from new screen. So I'm going to use that, and I'm just going to put the link here. And I gotta grab the link first. You won't be able to see that because currently it's recording on current tab only, but I have a new article called The Complete Guide to Selling Merchandise in YouTube for 2022. Um, and then I'm just going to put here. Mark already has all the details. He has access to my portfolio. He has kind of a quick onboarding for this specific project. And so, what I asked him to do is collect my portfolio. So, this is my portfolio, and then I gave him access. So the upcoming tasks related to this project will be much easier because he already knows the structure of my sheet, how he's gonna arrange it, what he needs to put. So right now, it's that easy. I'm gonna put more here, so I'm not gonna assign him right now this task. So I'm going to wait for a few more tasks, and that way, he can work on it by batch. So I like to work by batch. And yeah, so this is my process of how I'm listing down all of the tasks for my virtual assistant. I'm planning to hire more assistants in the near future, but for now, this is more for maintenance stuff for my freelancing business. So I hope this was helpful. And if you want to learn more about Notion, feel free to message me on LinkedIn.